Hi all, welcome to my first Golu. I wanted to do this video so that I share my first Golu with all my family, friends, and my well-wishers. For those who cannot come in person and see the Golu, I believe this is going to make it really nice and happy to see my Golu. I'm really happy to share this because, like I told you, this is my first Golu, and I'm really impressed with the way I've done by myself. So I wanted to show you everything about what I've done and how it was, and I would like to take you through all the idols and dolls that I've kept for the Golu. So yeah, let me start with what is there in the last step. So as a finishing touch, I kept this urli. So I've made this, and this is today's padayal sundal with lemon rice, and I've kept 2 kuttu and there is a small velakku that I've kept, and this will keep glowing for the next 9 days. We wouldn't off this, and we keep kind of pouring oil into it. I wanted to keep it in this form so that it keeps glowing and it doesn't get off. So yeah, that's the plan about this velakku. And before I move on, I wanted to thank Hema for helping me, I would rather teach me on how this needs to be displayed, like what should come in the first step, what should come in the second step, what should go in the third step. She really guided me, and I think I've done my best to follow what she told. Thank you so much, Hema, for telling me this. And I'm going to follow it every year, and I'll just keep that in my mind. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'll start off with the small flower that is here. So this flower, I got it from Amsterdam, Netherlands when I went there, and I wanted to keep it as like a beautiful flower when we start off with the steps. Then I'll show you what is there in the first step. So first step, I understood that it's more of human beings, rishis, and anybody who is in the form of human being. So and all the mandaps that we have, and the talayati bommais and all that. So I wanted to display all those in the first step. So this talayati bommai is very special. Usually we buy it from Tanjavur, but I got this from Samayapuram. I wanted to make this special. I was actually looking for something that can be retained for a long time. This is not made of clay, but it is made of some fiber material, so it kind of keeps glowing in my house. Wherever we go, I carry this, and I just love it. So I wanted to always retain it wherever I stay. So this has been always there in my decoration hall. Now I wanted to keep this in the last step. So that's all about the Talayati bommais that you see. And Tirupati Mandapam, of course, it's bought in Tirupati. And Mother Mary, I got it from Velankani. Yeah, the laughing Buddha that you see is something that I found when I was cleaning a ground near my house. So I just got it and I started keeping it. And Gautama Buddha, I got it from the Amazon store. Mother Mary with the lady with the kid, I got it as a gift. Komada, I went for a shopping and I got it. And Mirabai, I got it from Mahabalipuram. And the more special about this step is Lord Krishna. I got this Lord Krishna when Ashwat was 3 months, when I was pregnant. He was 3 months, and yeah, from then I'm retaining this, and it's more like a treasure for me. So it carries a lot of sentiment towards it. My favorite idol and doll in the house, and one thing is because I got it when I was pregnant, and I keep looking at this doll, and it always remembers me of that day or those days when I was pregnant. And of course it is Krishna, baby Krishna, my favorite, so it's very, very special to me. So pretty much this in the first step. Let's move on to the next step, the colorful step that I have. So this step is more special because it has the Dasavataram. I wanted to start my first Golu with my favorite set of gods, and each of these avatars are very favorite of mine, especially Krishna. And I've kept it in the order. It follows Da Vinci theories, what I understood when I was keeping it, like the order, which is the first avatar, which is the next, and all that. So I've placed it in the same order, and thanks to Hema for helping me, keep it in this order. And goes without saying, my favorite Perumal in the center. I got it from Tirupati. And Pillayar, it's a new entry for this house, and it's from Pillayarpatti. And the 3 dolls behind, Saraswati, Lakshmi, both are new for this year. I just wanted to keep the 3 Devis, so I kept 3 of them. And why Madurai Meenakshi is very important. My ancestors, so my husband's family, their ancestors are devoted to Madurai Meenakshi. They have the following of praying to her. So every family has their own following of Amman. So my family prays to Madurai Meenakshi. So this is our ancestral, belief, and I just love her for the way the doll is made, as well as personally I love Madurai Meenakshi. So I wanted to keep Madurai Meenakshi for the first year. So yeah, this is what is in this step. The most favorite about this step is the Mayalai that you see behind. It covers all the god, if you see. Usually you don't get this type of Mayalai. It covers all the gods. So for me, the Mayalai itself takes care of most of the gods. Yeah. And of course, very special is the Dasavadaram. I have all the avatars here. Yeah. And last but not the least, the last step is the gods. And my favorite here is Pallikonda Perumal. My husband is a bit scared about the statue because of the snakes at the top, but still he's okay because I like it a lot. So he's kind of managing to have a look at it every time when he comes down. So that's my favorite for this year. I was like fallen in love when I got the statue. Of course, the rest are my favorite ones, which I've been retaining for years. So I'd like to take you through one by one. So Infant Jesus is my favorite. This has a story behind it. This has a lot of prayers. This doll has a lot of prayers when I got it. And this I got it from Bangalore Infant Jesus Church. And my favorite idol in my house. And small baby Krishna, I got it for this year Krishna Jayanti, because we came to the new house. I wanted to buy a baby Krishna, so I got this baby Krishna this year for Krishna Jayanti. And Mother Mary, Velankandi Mada with the baby in her hand, is my mom's gift. So she was keeping it with her for a long time, and she gave me this year, so I wanted to keep it in Golu and wanted to start praying to her. And Muruga is another favorite of mine. So this is again a new entry for Kolu. So I got it for Kolu this year. And Mother Mary here. So we got this a long back from Velankani. So it's very special for us. Pundi Mata, which you see here, is my sister-in-law's gift. I wanted to keep it in Kolu. This is more special for us. So I just wanted to keep it. I'm very happy about keeping the statue here. And last but not the least, Krishna, my favorite. So he is always the top show. It's been 5 years. He's been with us, and it's more than a treasure. I wouldn't even call it treasure. It's more than that. And thanks to him for all these happenings, making me keep this Golu and taking it forward in a lovely way. My Lord Krishna. Yeah, this is all about my Golu. Hope to see more next year. For this Golu, I pray happiness, prosperity, longevity, and everything that you prefer for you and your family, your friends, and your well-wishers. My prayers, keep smiling. Happy Golu to all. Thank you.